Today we'll take a look at Tiesfong's M10max dash camera, which features 4 channels, 2K front lens, and 1080p at the left, right, and rear cameras. It also has a super capacitor, a 128GB memory card, and a CPL filter. For more info on this camera, please check the links in the description down below. So let's take a look at the unboxing. You'll get your user manual, the camera unit, which right off the bat felt like really good quality and well made. The front lens can move vertically, and the left and right cameras can move vertically and horizontally, so you can rotate them to get your desired camera angles. You get a little free gift bag, CPL optical filter, electrostatic stickers, some extra 3M adhesives, a USB memory card reader, wiring tool, and some cable clips. You have your car charger cable, your suction mount, and the rear camera, which again feels well built and good quality. So here's everything you get in the box. The camera also has 24-hour radar parking monitoring. You'll need to hardwire and set that up. Built-in Wi-Fi, G-sensor, super infrared night vision, loop recording, and many more features. And what I love about these kinds of cameras is that you can rotate them to function as a cabin camera to record what's going on in the car, or your blind spots, or to the right and left. With 4 channels, having 4 cameras allows you to cover all angles and have maximum coverage. With a super capacitor instead of lithium-ion batteries, it allows the camera to operate under more extreme temperatures of up to -20 Celsius all the way up to 65 degrees Celsius. First, you'll want to put in your memory card and format it. And connect the power adapter cable. And to mimic a car startup, I'll be using a portable battery called Goal Zero Yeti 150. It's a great portable battery unit for when you need power on the go. It has a 12-volt socket, 2 USB ports, and an AC outlet. See the links in the description for more information on this product. So when you plug it in and you start it up, the dash camera will automatically begin recording, but you'll need to format the card if it's your first time. You've got your 5 buttons to navigate the menu settings. Press M to enter the settings. Long press M to enter playback to watch your recorded videos. Long press the OK button to turn on the Wi-Fi. You'll need to do this when you want to pair it up with the app on your smartphone so that you can remote view it. Press OK to stop and start recording. The power button in the middle is used to turn on and off the display. In the display mode, you can choose to show all 4 cameras at the same time or toggle between the cameras to show them one at a time or in any combination. If you long hold the right arrow button, it will take a picture. In the settings, you can turn on and off the Wi-Fi, infrared LED, loop record, G-sensor, the language settings, volume, screensaver, clock settings, formatting the card, and resetting to default factory. If you press the M button again, it goes into another settings page. Here you can adjust settings for GPS status, speed adjustment, speed unit, time zone, and daylight savings. Press M one more time to return to the display. To power on and off the device, just hold the power button in the middle for 2 to 3 seconds. Once again, hold the M button to enter playback mode and search your video files that you want to play back. Now let's take a look at how to download and install the app. So first go to your Play Store and type in Tiesfong app. When you click on it, download the app and install it. This allows you to control and watch your dash cam remotely from your smartphone. Once it's installed, be sure that the dash cam unit's Wi-Fi is turned on. Then connect to it in your smartphone and enter the password. There's a default password given to you in the instruction manual. Once you're connected, now your dashcam will be visible, and connect DVR. Once the dashcam is paired with your smartphone app, now you can see the video directly from your smartphone. Press the toggle button so you can change camera view lens. And you can also access playback to view your recorded files or images directly on your smartphone. You can also download it directly onto your smartphone's memory. This way you can send it or share it or copy it to your PC later on. Now let's take a look at some footage. Front camera indoors, front camera outdoors. So remember, the front camera records in 2K and the rest of the cameras will record in 1080p. Here's a left camera view. And you can rotate these cameras vertically or horizontally to your liking. You can rotate it inwards to see inside the car. And here's what it looks like without the lens filter and with the lens filter on. Reflective effect is reduced, especially on strong sunny days, while enhancing clarity. I really love the versatility that 4-channel dash cameras give you with all the possible viewing angles. This dash cam feels well built and feels like good quality. I'm really pleased with the 2K resolution in the front camera and the option to use the left and right 1080p cameras in any direction that I want. The rear camera also shoots in 1080p. If you're in the market looking for a dash camera, take a look at Tiesfong M10max 4-channel 2K dash cam. For more information or where to get this, don't forget to check the links in the description down below. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to write in the comment section down below and I'll do my best to answer them. And if this helped anyone out there, please give a like, share, and subscribe as it really helps me out. Thanks again for watching, and until next time.